Alright, we're at 1447 Minor Street, even though I think they're both being sold as 1441. I'm going to look at this sewer. This sewer has been looked at, and they determined that they had a major problems with it and had recommended a replacement. We've seen this line, and we think there's only two things that are repair worthy. The first one happens right off the bat here in the clay tile. You can see there's a little bit of a crack on the right that slides to the bottom, and then right in there there's some chipped areas that are actually heaving upwards, and then the crack extends off there on the right. That's going to be losing water, and it will get worse. The rest of the sewer, for being 100 years old, is actually in very good condition right out until we get to the tap to the city. And there we have an issue right before, amazingly enough, there's a new tap, but a foot before that tap, not even that, 6 inches, there's something we don't like. Now this is tying into a cross line. We thought that was 1441. It is not. I don't know exactly what it is, but 441 is only 27 feet long and ties into its own sewer. Now, and that was a new replaced sewer as well, so that's a little strange. So we go down to the end of the building and we turn left. We're headed out into 15th here. See a field of debris here. That's just because it's vacant. That's stuff that's worked its way down over the 6 years of vacancy, and it hasn't flushed all the way out. Here's our other issue. That's our tap, and it is new, that PVC. But we do see that weird muddy spot and that isolated piece that's falling down on the top. The only reasonable explanation for this is damage there. There is possibility that that's something else, but the most reasonable one says that's not a Houdini piece that can levitate on its own, that it's actually broken and slipping out. And then that muddy spot right next to it, it's got to be a continuation of some sort of damage there. But here's our new tap and our new city sewer, and that is this sewer. We have two places that we find concerning. So we'll stop right there.